At night, when the trailers are gray or dark, you don't really see anything. And the containers have no light. Only the chassis has light. If you look at the container from the side, the container has no lights at all. Only the chassis has lights. The chances of getting an accident here is great. But now, it doesn't look bad. I can make it straight. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. It is frightening inside when you have no lights at this. The entire site has no lights because it's a container. Only landmark in the front is the trains. That middle part of the train is my only landmark to center the nose of the truck. That's the central part of the front, and in the back here doesn't look bad. Here it is almost barely. We make barely on this side. That's very close. I have to turn it the other way, away from this trailer. Okay, the other way. That way. That's okay. At night, what is these guys? What is he going to do? He's going to go on the top and lock the trailers. Make sure every container is locked. That's his job. He's talking to somebody inside there. You have to make sure containers are locked. You have then to go to the next end, make sure it is locked. He's going to walk to the other train. He's going to go back to the pickup. And we keep going around them to make sure each one of them is locked. It was brand new. I cut the other one a week ago, a few days ago. One. This is a friendly chassis. Made it easy for me. It is not rusted, It is not bent. It has grease in it, so it makes life much easier. That's enough. This is salt lake in the back. And you can see from here the aeroplanes lining in the sky. You can see them clearly, lining in the sky to land on the ground. Opened. It is 5 days, a whole week penalty if you ever forget to do that. If you forget to unlock your container, you cannot walk here for a whole week, which means you make no money. Last one, come on, man. Ugly, ugly. Of course, in intermodal, the very basic principles are simple. Look at here, container for intermodal use only. This container is only to be used for intermodal operation. Why? Because remember, this is a container that has a chassis that belongs to another party. So this container has a chassis. The bottom part, this bottom part here is the chassis. So you cannot use this container as a trailer. This container only for intermodal. That's a very serious principle. Number two, please do not hook to this container if you are not hauling for the rail, which means this have to go on the rail. This is not a trailer for other applications. Other thing, the 3 point of contact. How you hook, how you climb. Those are the points of contact. You hold here on the side, you hold in the bottom, and your foot in the down. You hold on the side door, you hold on the bottom. When you open these doors, there is a point when you put your hand in it, and your foot have to be on the bottom here. This is called the 3-point rule. And this is, do you know the 3 things you have to know about intermodal? The bill of lading temperature. You have to know the temperature of because this is intermodal, which means everything is reefer. The reefer set point. The reefer set point is the point that is being set, for example, -10, and the temperature on the bill of lading is what the customer wants you to have temperature, and the product pulp temperature, which means the temperature that is in the condition before it gets, or if it gets to the reefer set point. For example, you can have your temperature -10, but the pulp point, the bulb temperature is still -3 or +9, so it will take a while to get to the set point. The load secure, the three principles of load secure. Pallets, product wrapped, correct. You have to wrap the products to the pallets. Number 2, pallets, product stacked correctly. You have to stack the pallets so you don't have a place where they can wiggle around. Number 3, load locks secure. You have to put load locks or straps